What's good, YouTube? It's SRT Dan here. Today I got a unboxing video and installation video for my 22 Hellcat. I'm gonna be putting in the Corsa Performance cold air intake. That being said, we're gonna get rid of the stock air box. And it's gonna be full carbon, so it's gonna look pretty sick. Let me get into this unboxing. So let's get into this box. And the box is blank. My bad, they doing lawn care stuff from the crib. So packaging wise, seems like they did pretty good. A lot of bubble wrap and stuff. Get that up out of there. So got our filter here. It's bigger than I thought, honestly. That's what she said. Oh shoot. But yeah, nah, it's pretty big. Got the heat shield here. Damn, bro. Don't right kicking my ass right now. So I got the heat shield. It's pretty smooth texture. This is what I'm most excited for. Double layered up. We got full carbon. This look pretty clean, honestly. Come on, that shit gonna be fire. This is the intake pipe. That shit is nice. Making sure there's no scratches or nothing on there. Imperfections. It looks pretty good to me. And you just have all your other stuff, your clamps and your adapter to put it to the intake. But let me finish getting all this unboxed, laid out, and then I'll show y'all a little bit more in depth. All right, y'all, so you got your adapter to go onto your throttle body, filter, got the two clamps. This hose here, this hose will go right there into that. And you got your hardware, then you got your heat shield, guards. This will go in here so don't mess up so it doesn't mess up the pipe. And then you got your rain guard. So just gonna put it all together and I'll start taking everything apart for y'all. Let me just switch this camera up a little bit. So to take out the old intake, all we gotta do is disconnect this connector here, this clamp here, that clamp there. Then you got 1, 2, 4 bolts here. You got to loosen up this one here, that one there, and then that gives you just a little bit more wiggle room to get the heat box in or heat shield, and then you should be good. So once you got this disconnected, these loosened up for now, you can remove this, and it is a push. Pull. So that'll get disconnected like that. Just gonna put that to the side for now, and then that should be loose. All right, so once you got everything loosened up, so you actually have to take these 3 bolts all the way off, because we're gonna have to take, once you disconnect the hose that was right here, we gotta take this off, and we'll take the whole air box off, and we gotta heat up this part here with a heat gun, and then this will slide off. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'll come back to you. All right, y'all, so once you heat that piece up, it slides off. So that will go there, and then once it's heated, this piece just slides off. So now we just gotta take off our airflow sensor and then start taking the rest of this out. All right, y'all, so I got the airbox out of the way. The most annoying part was getting this out of here, but now that's why I loosened these, because this allows the coolant box to go up, so you can push these 4 tabs in, push out, and then pull up, and then that's how I got it out. So now I just got to put the protectors on the heat shield and put the rain guard onto here, and then once I get that done, I'll show y'all what it looks like and where things got to go. All right, y'all, I kind of got sidetracked. I low-key forgot to put my phone back out. That shit was in my pocket. But I'll just describe basically what happened, what I did. So once you put your weather stripping and stuff on, you just put your silicone adapter on, tighten it down. I believe these were 10 mil or 7/16. These were 7/16. And then you put your filter on, and then you put the intake on, and then you clamp it down, because if you clamp it down before, it won't give you the room is way off. Like, you gotta do it before, and then that way it keeps the filter steady. And then what I did to put these on is I just did a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Since it dries fast, I just put it on the inside with my finger, and then I slid that shit on, and then I did the same thing on this side. And then you just, after you connected it, you just plug these back in, tighten these 3 bolts down. Make sure, don't forget to tighten your coolant down. And then this is pretty much the finished result. I'm about to do a after